Hi there, my name is Umer Singh and welcome to Themyscira. It is a land of magic and wonder, worth cherishing in every way. Today we'll be continuing with my in-depth analysis of Wonder Woman. Note that this video will freely discuss various aspects of the film, some of which could be considered spoilers. So if you don't want any spoilers, then go ahead and watch the film before continuing with this video. You have been warned. During the final battle, Ares levitates wood and metal debris and propels these towards Diana. As the objects fly towards her, they are repelled, disintegrate, or burn up. So what is this visualization?
What would you have us do, Al?
Look to the stars!
Well, stars are powered by fusion and radiate energy in the form of light, but also in the form of charged particles called the stellar wind. In a previous video, I drew a parallel between the star Antares, which means the rival to Ares, and Diana. Well, according to one of the scientific papers I found, the stellar wind of Antares throws out a staggering figure of 39.1 quadrillion tons of matter every second. So something like the stellar wind could knock back significant amounts of matter thrown at Diana. Now, why do they burn up?
Look to the stars!
NASA is conducting numerous missions to gain a deeper understanding of our own sun. One of the questions to be answered is, why is the corona, the atmosphere of plasma around the sun, so much hotter than the surface of the sun? The temperature of the corona can reach 1.5 to 4 million Kelvin, which is 400 to 550 times hotter than the surface of the sun. If we view Diana in her empowered state as analogous to the sun, the source of light in our dark world, then she could also have a corona much hotter than her surface, allowing her to burn up the incoming wood and a stellar wind that blocks the larger metal pieces. After Ares propels the debris towards Diana, he also comes flying in to stab her. She braces for impact and we see this visualization. Now, stars have immensely powerful magnetic fields within the corona. Thanks to the NASA Solar Dynamics Observatory, we can see how the plasma flows in tight loops close to the surface of the sun. This is exactly the visual being depicted. When two oppositely directed magnetic fields are brought together, we can see a phenomenon described as magnetic reconnection. Research shows that this is strongly associated with coronal mass ejections and solar flares. Reconnection releases energy stored in the original stressed magnetic fields. These magnetic field lines can be twisted into a helical structure with a right-hand twist or a left-hand twist. As the sun's magnetic field lines become more and more twisted, coronal mass ejections appear to be a valve to release the magnetic energy being built up, as evidenced in the helical structure of coronal mass ejections, that would otherwise renew itself continuously each solar cycle and eventually rip the sun apart. So Diana's bracelet blast unleashes something analogous to a coronal mass ejection, and this is what knocks Ares back.